A large capacity tank initially contains 500 grams of water. So let's say this is our tank. The tank contains 500 grams of water. So inside the water with 100 pounds of salt. So we have inside it we have salt, and the salt is 150 pounds dissolved in the solution. A salt water solution containing a concentration of 2 pounds of salt per gallon. You see, it's entering into 2 pounds per gallon. At what time? Enter the tank at the rate of 6 gallons per minute. So we have 6 gallons per minute. So it's entering. So we have and drain from the tank at the same rate. So at the same rate that is coming in, is also coming out at 6 gallons per minute. These are salt. This is the whole tank. So the question, the tank is kept well stayed, assuming the amount of salt in the tank over time has a rate of change proportional to the difference between the rate at which the salt enters the tank and the rate at which the salt leaves the tank. Find the amount of salt in the tank after 15 minutes. So we can say change in the amount by change at time t is rate in minus the rate that is going out. So we have the A over the T, because the rate that is going in is 2 at what minute times 6 per minute minus the rate that is going out. The amount of salt, what is the amount of salt? The amount of water in the tank is over 500 times the amount that is going out. So we have the A over the T equals to 12 minus A, the amount over 500 6 we have. So we can continue by saying collect like times. So we can bring this to this side, so that we have the A over the T plus 6 amount over the water equals 12. So we can go further to eliminate so that we can be able to get the amount of salt after 15 minutes. So we have the recall integrating factor. This is exponential integral of so we can say from here exponential integral of 6 over 500 of t, which is still the same thing as exponential 6 over 500 t. So from this side we can say multiply through by the integrating factor. So we have integrate exponential 6 over 500 t dA over dt plus 6a of t over 500 exponential 6 500 t is equal to 12 exponential 6 500 t. Now, having gotten that, for us to terminate this and this, we recall product rule. This one is v, u, v. So you can check back on your product here. So we have exponential 6 over 500 t a of t equals to 12 exponential 6 over 500 t. Now from this way you can say it can I integrate. So differentiation of exponential 6 over 500 t a of t equals to 12 integral of 6 over 500 t. So the differentiation will cancel integration. So we have here exponential 6 over 500 t a of t equals to, now if you integrate this will be 12 divided by 6 over 500 exponential 6 500 t. So we now have exponential 6 500 t a of t, that is the amount 12 times 500 over 6 exponential 6 over 500 t. So we have exponential 6 over 500 t a of t is equal to 6000 over 6 exponential 6. Then we can say exponential 6 over 500 of t a of t is equal to 1000 exponential 6. Now here from here, when you integrate, we have as a constant plus c plus c plus c. So we divide through by exponential 6 500 t. So this one will go, this will go, and this we have. So I have a of t 1000 plus c over exponential 6 500 t. So from here you can say a of t equals to 1000 plus c exponential minus, because it's inverse, minus what? 6 over 500 t. So we can say the initial a of t naught, the amount of salt in it is 150 at time is 0. So we have the amount now is 150, the amount of salt 1000 plus c exponential minus c over 500 and 0. simplify this, we have 150 equals to 1000. Multiply all this one together to be exponential 0 times 1. That is C. Collect the like line, so C equals to 150 minus 1000. So C equals to minus 850. Going further, you cannot say A of T equals to 1000. So from here, now I have minus 850 exponential minus 6500 T. So we go back to the question. Say is leaving they are find the amount of salt in the tank after 50 minutes. So the time now is 50 minutes. So we have A of T equals to 1000 minus 850 exponential minus 6500. Continue is 50. So we have A of T equals to 1000 minus 850 exponential minus 300 500. A of T equals to 1000 minus 850 times, so you can now press your calculator. Shift exponential minus 300 over 500 is 0.5488. So you multiply times 850, 0.5488 times 850. So we have A of T 1000 minus 466.48. So A of T 1000 minus 466.48 give us 53352. So the question says approximate your answer to the nearest point of salt. Therefore, the amount of salt in the tank after 50 minutes is 534 pounds, and that is to the nearest point of salt. This is what we call mixing problem in mathematical